this is the video where I crash my drone. Guys, see, that is the first victory. I'm in the list of warriors, drone warriors. You can see what happened with the gimbal. It's a very severe crash. Finally, we recovered it. We lost the battery, by the way. So this is what I recovered from the water. Bay in Khorfakkan. Guys, this is a short video for you to get help for recovering your drone if you unfortunately crash it somewhere. So you don't need to worry about it. Don't get puzzled. Just go to profile. Just press the profile. Go to find my drone. It will show you by itself the last location and the last recording also. It will do it by default. And this is the video where I crash my drone. Due to something, it was out of my control and it suddenly hit the hill, and that's how it got. And this is my drone. It's broken completely. Even the gimbal came out, crashed everywhere. I lost my battery also. Thank you so much. So guys, this is the story of my drone DJI. That was my first drone. I sacrificed with a lot of courage, and I'm always try to take risk. In my Scotland trip also, I have done a lot of crazy things there. But as I came back to Dubai and in UAE, I tried to do the same thing here, but the luck didn't work yesterday night. So see what happened with the gimbal, and it's all crashed. You can see the things here, it's all open completely, it's all gone. So what is the message, or what is the lesson I learned? If you wanna explore the world with drone, do it, but with care. And what was the main point I wanna mention? Yesterday I was droning around the waterfall, and what I observed, like once it was very close with the waterfall, I lost the control of it, because maybe due to some electric waves, or I don't know about it, but there was something like it was out of my control and it just hit the mountain. Even the sensor was on, everything was there, but it didn't work out. So be careful. And this is first sacrifice for this hobby, and I will get this back. This one replacement, or other one, I will get this thing back to my list. Yes, thank you.